Alright. Okay, so Miss Denise has asked me to make, well, to have you guys make flowers for Dia de los Muertos for the celebration on November 1st. And it's these kind of flowers. I don't know if you can see that. So, and I literally just learned how to make them maybe 5 minutes ago, just looking it up on the internet. So, I'm going to show you how to do that step by step. So, let's get going. Alright, so we're going to start with 3 sheets of paper. So we're going to take 1 and 2 and 3. Here we go. And actually we're going to put them like this. So long side this way, okay? Long side that way. Alright, so next we're going to fold this, but we're going to fold it like an accordion, okay? And so you're going to make a very narrow fold here, okay? So this here is about, should be about an inch. So let's, well, roughly about an inch here. Now if you can see that, it's not science, it's art, and it's not really art, it's crafts. Alright, so here we go. Fold it over, tighten it, then take the other side, turn over the paper, and fold it another one. Turn over the paper, fold another one.
1 hour later.
Alright, problem is you don't want it super wide because it'll look like shit. Next, you need 3 pipe cleaners. And fold it over. Like that. Why? Now you know where the middle is. Bring it back out. This is where your middle is. Can you see this? Alright. And we're going to twist this around here so we have a flower stem. So same thing. You can actually do it the other way around. It'll give you a different type of flower. So you can have some pointing, with some stems pointing different ways. It doesn't matter. Gives you some variety. This one goes like this. Here. Okay, so here's the deal. We're going to cut these right here. Okay, like that. So right around here, right in the middle. Cut it right here. And again, it's not super exact. This is not science, it's crafts. So, now you're ready to make 3 flowers. Pull it out, fan it out a little bit. Like this. See? Fan it out like that. And now, you're going to take the inner one and you're going to start peeling it back. Peel them. Now, next layer. Pretty. Okay, and then you can always push the last layer up again a little bit. Okay, whew, that was a lot of work. Oh man, I got 2 more to do.